What's up guys, we're back with the latest Samsung news. Samsung has officially laid out its earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2020, and within this report they have indirectly confirmed the demise of the Galaxy Note series. We're also going to be taking a look at the most anticipated mid-range phones of the year, the Galaxy A72 and the Galaxy A52, plus some bombshell news regarding Xiaomi's clash with US. Okay, so back to the earning reports. This actually reveals quite a lot of things. It's reported that the business has been on a slight decline due to COVID, and of course it is expected to recover in 2021. Samsung says that they're going to be doubling down on the production of 5nm chip as well as 8nm chip for smartphone market. Particularly, they mentioned the release of Exynos 1080 processor and how they want to expand this chip to other customers. As of now, we have seen Samsung selling their chips to Vivo with their brand new Vivo X60 Pro. Very likely we could see this on the next Xiaomi, Oppo, or even the next Google Pixel phone. The report further mentions that Samsung has completed the design of their second gen 5nm chip along with their first generation 4nm chips. We'll definitely see this next year, and of course with AMD in the game as well, it's going to be really exciting. Furthermore, the research and focus is also set on developing the first and second gen 3nm processors, which will probably come out in 2023. Now after this, Samsung talks about their flagship plans for 2021, and this is where we have the sad news. According to Samsung, and I quote, "The mobile communications business aimed to strengthen its leadership in the premium segment through Galaxy S21 series and the expansion of foldable category including the Z Fold and Z Flip." There we go, no mention of the Galaxy Note series at all. With this statement, we can say that Samsung pretty much confirmed indirectly that there will not be a Note flagship series. And if you look at the S21 Ultra, it becomes very obvious with the release of S Pen, and in the future they're going to bring the S Pen Pro. Like at this point, the only positive rumor regarding the Note series is for the Galaxy Note 21 FE. Also in the news, first look at the Samsung Galaxy A52 / Galaxy A72 smartphone. They're mostly similar to last year's model. If you look at the arrangement, it kind of reminds me of the S21 Ultra. We also have that little bit of camera bump. Most likely Samsung will utilize a 64 megapixel sensor with their A series. As for the display itself, I'm hoping that they use a 90Hz OLED panel. Again, we have yet to see the official specs, so stay tuned for all of that. Also in the news, Samsung has announced that the S21 Ultra's display is not just a normal 120Hz OLED display. It actually uses 16% less power than a standard OLED panel thanks to better efficiency. It's crazy how they push the boundaries with their display tech every year. I'm actually excited to see what they do next. Now last but not the least, Xiaomi has sued United States of America for blacklisting them. In case you guys missed it, Trump administration blacklisted Xiaomi, which blocks American investors from investing in the company. Xiaomi responded by saying that they are not owned or controlled by the Chinese government or military. That was their initial response, but now they're taking a big shot by taking US to the court to reverse the investment ban. As we all know, Trump administration is not in power anymore, so yeah, we might actually see some positive results out of this, or we might actually see something even more of a bigger response from US. Let's just hope that doesn't happen, because Xiaomi, it's an innovative company. Like just yesterday we talked about their Mi Air Charge technology that allows you to charge your phone through the air without any cable or anything. I really hope that they don't get the same treatment as Huawei. So that's all the latest news. The next big thing will be the Galaxy Z foldable lineup, and particularly the Z Fold 3. As much as we want Samsung to release one last flagship Galaxy Note phone to say a proper goodbye to this legendary lineup, they might actually do that in the form of Z Fold 3. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.